Good morning children. I am your Ekta ma'am. In your previous session of numeracy, you all learnt number names 1, 2, 3 and 4. And today we will learn number names 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's start. So children, now we are going to revise number names 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. O-N-E 1. Repeat after me children. O-N-E 1. 2. T-W-O 2. Once again. T-W-O 2. Which number comes after 2? Yes, number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Repeat after me. T-H-R-E-E 3. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Once again. F-O-U-R 4. And now we will learn number names 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hey children, which number is this? Yes, this is number 5. And how many duckies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. F-I-V-E 5. One more time. F-I-V-E 5. Next number is number 6. So tell me children, how many balloons can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. S-I-X 6. Repeat after me children. S-I-X 6. Which number is this? Very good. Number 7. And how many kitties are there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Once again, S-E-V-E-N 7. And this is number 8. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Repeat after me children. E-I-G-H-T 8. So children, now you have to write number names 5, 6, 7 and 8 on page number 64 in your class workbook. But I will show you the formation on the paper. Now we will first write number name 5. But before that we have to trace the number name 5 like this. F I V E. Now we will write number name 5 in the next line. Okay? Like this. F I V E. F-I-V-E 5. And now we will trace number name 6. S I X 6. And now we will write number name 6. S I X 6 SIX 6. Which number comes after 6? Very good. Number 7. So we will first trace the number name 7. S E V E N 7. And now we will write the same number name in the next line. S E V E N 7. Once again, S E V E N 7. The next number name is 8. EIGHT 8. So let's first trace the number name 8. E I G H T 8. Now we will write number name 8 in the next line. E I G H T 8. So children, you have to write number names 5, 6, 7 and 8 like this and complete the page. So children, I hope you all liked today's session. So tomorrow we will meet again and revise the same topic. Till then, bye-bye.